See if I can hold it still enough. She's got the hiccups. Oh, it's a big movement. Little bumps. It's funny. Oh, big movement. It's on the side, you can't see. Joji, she has the hiccups.
Does she? She got the hiccups. Want to listen?
Yeah.
See if you can hear them. Put your ear on mommy's belly. See if she can hear the hiccups. Look at the hiccups. Look at. She's got the hiccups. Look at. Just look. Be careful.
No bump. Bump.
Yeah.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? Oh, there she goes.
It's moving quite a bit.
Look at, she's got the hiccups.
I see it up.
It's just a little bump. You gotta look at the belly really close. It's just a little bloop, bloop.
Oh, that's not a little bump.
Right.
It's like an elbow.
Well, yeah, she's moving too.
Ooh, look at that. So it helps to have those stripes there.
I know, right? They'll probably really. This is a good one for movement.
Ooh, want to take a picture of this?
I'm looking at the baby sister. What is that?
It's a picture.
Oh, you took a picture of the picture over there. Yeah, nice. Nice. It's upside down, but.
I don't think I've recorded her hiccuping before. Well, before you couldn't see it when she did. I could just feel it. Now, like, she's big enough, she bumps out or jumps the belly.
How I want to cut it? I want to take that way?
Whatever.
Good.
Whatever you want.
How I do it? Water.
Oh,
Look
goodness.
at her. She's moving around.
Yeah, she's pushing.
Oh, I want
Stretching, stretching. So I think her booty's right here.
So that's black and white. You need to do another one. Here, let me
Her
take a
head's
picture of you.
down. I think her feet are over here. Or her
Let me
knees,
take a picture of you.
elbows, something up here.
There's nothing on that picture. It's just. There's nothing on there. You gotta put something on there.
how?
Here, go back to. Here, let's just take that picture off. Okay. Let's go back and take another picture of you.
She's still got hiccups.
So you can get back to the camera.
That's me.
Let's see if she'll do one more big movement.
Mom, how many performance?
Here, bring here. Mommy's recording. You gotta do something different. Can you do something different? Can you do a different picture?
Oh, I got the one.
That's it.
Here, go to your camera and take a different picture.
Alright, bye people.
Because there wasn't anything on that picture.